SEO PowerSuite Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to SEO PowerSuite are in the description below. Now let's get straight into it. SEO PowerSuite is a comprehensive desktop-based SEO software designed for professionals, agencies, and businesses that need powerful SEO tools without expensive monthly subscriptions. Unlike cloud-based platforms like Ahrefs or SEMrush, SEO PowerSuite is a one-time purchase software that runs locally, making it a cost-effective choice for those managing multiple websites. It consists of 4 main tools: Rank Tracker, Website Auditor, SEO Spyglass, and Link Assistant, covering all essential aspects of SEO. Rank Tracker helps users monitor keyword rankings across multiple search engines, providing accurate position tracking, keyword difficulty analysis, and competitor comparison. Website Auditor scans websites for technical SEO issues, such as broken links, missing metadata, duplicate content, and site speed problems, ensuring optimal performance. SEO Spyglass focuses on backlink analysis, giving users insights into their link profile, identifying toxic backlinks, and tracking competitor link-building strategies. Link Assistant is a link-building and outreach tool that simplifies the process of acquiring high-quality backlinks. SEO PowerSuite is best suited for SEO professionals, agencies, and businesses that prefer a desktop-based solution with a one-time payment model. It's particularly useful for those managing multiple projects and needing detailed reporting, as the software provides in-depth analysis while allowing full data control. Strengths of SEO PowerSuite include its affordability compared to cloud-based alternatives, its ability to perform deep website audits, and its extensive keyword tracking and backlink analysis capabilities. The one-time purchase model makes it a cost-efficient long-term solution, and the software provides highly detailed reports that are valuable for agencies and consultants. However, weaknesses include the fact that it requires installation and runs on your local machine, which means performance depends on your computer's hardware. Additionally, because it's not cloud-based, some real-time data tracking features are limited, and there's no mobile access. Another downside is that certain features, such as backlink data, rely on third-party APIs, which may require additional costs. Overall, SEO PowerSuite is a powerful, budget-friendly alternative to cloud-based SEO tools, ideal for those who prefer a desktop solution with no recurring fees. If you're looking for a cost-effective, feature-rich SEO suite, it's definitely worth considering. Check the links in the description to explore SEO PowerSuite further.